Today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on a Honda single cylinder overhead valve engine. Now this is going to apply to the GC160, GC160. This is a horizontal shaft, and then the other engines will be similar as well. So you have your air filter cover right here, old air filter, get that out of there. Here's the new filter. There's the part number for this specific engine. I think they're the same on many different engines, but double check yours. Then we'll just put it in there just like that. Make sure you don't oil it. We'll put the cover on in the slots back there. Rotate it down and get these snaps in. Just like that. So that's all there is to changing the air filter on the Honda GC160 engine. Thanks for watching.